integrating your GPT chatbot with Slack. Let's start by going to the YourGPT documentation page for Slack integration. Click on the Slack Apps button and click to create a new app. Select from scratch and give your app a name. Next, choose the workspace where you want to develop your app and click Create App. Now move on to Oath and Permissions. Add a redirect URL. This could be any URL from your website. Now in the Scope section, add a bot token scopes. Add chat right. Add chat right customize. Add chat right public. And last, add app mention read. Now click on Install on Workspace, then click Allow. Copy the bot user oath token. Go to App Home and allow users to send / commands and messages from the Messages tab. Now go to Basic Information. In the YourGPT integration section, connect the Slack app by adding the app ID and token. Paste the token you copied earlier. Then copy the app's ID and paste it into your GPT dashboard. From here, copy webhook. Go to Slack API dashboard, create a new / command. Click on to create a new command. Add a command name. I'll call it help. Paste the webhook in the request URL and add a short description. Now click on Save button and now go to Slack app and test the integration. I will test it by typing hello. And there you go. The bot answers to our hello message. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.